So remember, we had about 4 hours, 6 minutes the first time. We just now shaved almost 2 hours off to do this entire print. Now, if I scroll through this, you're going to notice that the inside is very different because we're using a Lightning Infill. It's got these crazy looking, it's almost weird to see, but it works, and it does what it needs to. Now, I will say, if you were using this for anything that's going to have weight on it, it could crush it with this type of build, with this Lightning Infill. But if you want to test sizing and you just want to get it up and going, you just saved yourself 2 hours just to test something. And I think that's a fantastic achievement.